Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Voice for professional investor calling workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Voice for professional investor calling workflows, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Voice website at voice.google.com. Sign in using your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, click on Create Account and follow the prompts. Once logged in, you'll see a welcome screen. Click on Get Google Voice to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to choose a phone number. Select a number that fits your professional needs. You can search by city or area code to find a relevant number. After choosing your number, click Continue. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then click Accept. Next, you'll need to link your Google Voice number to an existing phone number. Input your current phone number and click Send Code. Check your phone for the verification code and enter it in the provided field. Once verified, click Verify. Now, you can customize your Google Voice settings. Navigate to the Settings gear icon located at the top right corner. Here, you can adjust call forwarding options and voicemail settings. Consider enabling call screening for added security. You can also set up custom greetings for incoming calls. If you plan to use Google Voice for texting, make sure to enable text messaging. Next, download the Google Voice app on your mobile device from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, sign in with your Google account. You'll have access to all features, including calls, texts, and voicemail, directly from your phone. To start making calls, simply enter the number or select a contact from your list. Familiarize yourself with the interface to enhance your calling efficiency. Take advantage of features like blocking unwanted calls and grouping contacts for faster access. Finally, regularly check your settings to ensure they align with your professional calling needs. Start making your investor calls with confidence and professionalism using Google Voice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.